Your car's engine is its heart, powerful, reliable, and ready to take you anywhere. Most drivers don't realize this, but your car's engine has a silent breaking point, and you might be pushing it closer with every drive. A well-cared-for engine means smooth drives, solid mileage, and a lasting car. Neglect it, and you'll be dealing with rough rides and high repair costs. Today, we'll uncover the 10 common driving habits that could be quietly destroying your engine. So, stick around because in the end, I'll share one crucial piece of advice that could extend the life of your car and your wallet. Else skip it, and you can end up with a seized engine. Habit number 1, revving the engine when cold. Let's kick it off with a classic mistake. Starting your car and revving the engine right away. Feels powerful, right? Wrong. Engines need a few moments to warm up, especially in colder weather. When your engine is cold, the oil hasn't had a chance to circulate fully. Revving the engine too soon creates unnecessary wear and tear. It is recommended to let your car idle for 30 to 60 seconds to let the oil do its job. Habit number 2, aggressive driving. Aggressive driving habits like flooring the accelerator or slamming the brakes put immense stress on the engine and transmission. It causes rapid heating and cooling, which can wear out internal components faster. Want to prolong your engine life? Drive smoothly, gradually accelerating and decelerating to reduce stress on the engine and related components. Habit number 3, skipping maintenance. Skipping routine maintenance is like skipping doctor visits. Old oil, clogged filters, and worn spark plugs all take a toll. Check your manual and stick to the recommended service schedule. It's cheaper than a new engine. Habit number 4, driving on low fuel. Fuel in the tank cools and lubricates the fuel pump. Keeping your tank consistently low can cause your fuel pump to overheat and suck up debris from the bottom of the tank, which can clog your fuel system such as fuel filters and injectors. Refill your tank before it drops below 1/4 full to avoid unnecessary strain on the fuel pump. Habit number 5, skipping oil changes. Oil serves as the lifeblood of the engine, providing lubrication to reduce friction and carrying away heat. Over time, oil becomes dirty and loses its viscosity, making it less effective. This increases friction between moving parts, causing overheating and faster wear, which can lead to engine failure. Follow the oil change interval specified in your owner's manual. Typically, this is every 3,000 to 7,500 miles, depending on the oil type and driving conditions. Habit number 6, ignoring warning lights. Would you ignore a fire alarm in your house? Then why ignore a flashing dashboard warning light? That's your car begging for attention. For example, the check engine light might indicate an issue with the emission system, ignition, or fuel delivery. Ignoring these warnings can lead to more severe problems, such as engine misfires or overheating, which might result in costly repairs. Take it to a pro before a small problem becomes a financial nightmare. Habit number 7, using the wrong oil or fuel. Not all oils and fuels are created equal. Using the wrong type is like feeding a dog chocolate. It's a recipe for disaster. Engines are designed to use a specific fuel type and octane rating. Check your manual and stick to what's recommended. Your engine will thank you. Habit number 8, driving with overheated engine. Overheating isn't just bad, it's catastrophic. An overheating engine can warp or crack critical parts like the cylinder head, head gasket, and pistons. If ignored, this could lead to a total engine failure that's expensive to fix. Regularly check your coolant, inspect your radiator, and don't push your car too hard in extreme heat. Habit number 9, neglecting air filters. A clogged air filter restricts airflow, leading to an imbalanced air-to-fuel ratio. This can cause reduced fuel efficiency and poor engine performance. Inspect your air filter regularly and replace it as needed. For most vehicles, this is every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, but it can vary based on driving conditions. Habit number 10, overloading the vehicle. Your car isn't a moving truck or a superhero. Carrying excessive weight puts additional strain on the engine as it has to work harder to move the car. This increases wear on engine components, reduces fuel efficiency, and can lead to overheating. Always check and stay within your car's recommended load capacity. Remove unnecessary items from the trunk or cabin. Breaking bad habits isn't easy, but your engine and your wallet will thank you. So which habit are you guilty of? Drop it in the comments below. And hey, if you love these tips, hit that like button, share this with your friends, and smash that subscribe button for more car-saving hacks.